mathematics, arithmetic progression. Here we have the problem. Two APs have the same common difference. Two APs have the common difference same. The difference between their 100 terms is 11 crores 12 lakhs 22,333. What is the difference between their millionth terms? We need to find out the difference between their millionth terms. We'll recall APs, two APs have same common difference. We have two APs. I have taken two APs, AP arithmetic progressions. After taking two arithmetic progressions, difference of the 100th terms, we taken the first AP of 100th term and second AP of 100th term. Find out the difference between those two is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. If it is like that, we need to find out what is the difference between their millionth terms. That means what is the difference between millionth term of first AP and millionth term of second AP. So let us take first AP is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Second AP is B1, B2, B3, B4 and so on. First AP is A1, A2, A3 and so on. Second AP is B1, B2, B3 and so on. We know that general term of an AP is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us find out first what is the difference between first and second series. First and second arithmetic progressions of general term. Here we have general term of an AP is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. General term of an AP is An is equals to A plus and n minus 1 into D. So here first AP is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Second AP is B1, B2, B3, B4 and so on. Their common difference is same. So common difference is equals to D. Let us take common difference of is D and second common difference also will become D. The two common difference will be same and first term and here first term is A and here first term is B. First term is A1 and second term first term is A1 and in this second AP first term is B1. So general term of an AP is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 to D. So let us find out nth term of first AP and nth term of second AP. Let us find out the nth term of first AP and nth term of second AP. First nth term of first AP is An is equals to A is A1 plus n minus 1 into common difference is D. So D only is the first one. And nth term of second AP is, this is first AP. And the term of second AP will be, it will be Bn is equals to, here is the B1 plus n minus 1 into D. D is the same. First term, nth term of first AP is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D for this first arithmetic progression. For second arithmetic progression, Bn is equals to B1 plus n minus 1 into D because here we need to find out the nth term. So Bn here, this will be Bn, here An will be. So Bnth term is equals to B1. First term is B1 plus n minus 1 into D because common difference is same for both the arithmetic progressions. We got here got nth term of first AP and nth term of second AP. We need to find out the difference of the nth terms because they were asking here. Here we need to find out difference between 100 terms, but we are going to find out difference between nth terms, then we are going to find out 100th terms of their difference between their 100th term. Let us find out the difference between their nth terms. So nth term difference is nothing but an minus bn, because these are the nth terms. So let us find out difference between these two nth terms. So an minus bn is equals to, first an minus bn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d minus b1 plus n minus 1 into d. We need to subtract these two. So let us subtract an minus bn is equals to, an minus bn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This, when we multiply it minus b1, when we multiply it minus, this plus becomes minus n minus 1 into d. We multiplied with the minus, so here it will be minus b1 minus into plus minus n minus 1 into d. Here we can observe this, in these two terms there is plus n minus 1 into d and minus n minus 1 into d. So we can cancel this both, plus n minus 1 into d and minus n minus 1 into d. After cancellation we will get an minus bn is equals to, there is a left out here. This a is, previously this is a1, because here there is a1, we need to write here a1 same as it is, and the same term will be repeated as a1 here. There is here, because a is the first term is a1 and a1 same as it is, a1 will be here repeated. So after cancellation we will be getting a1 minus b1. There are two terms left out, an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1. So here we got an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1. So here we can understand, for any constant term, for any term in the n place, the place of n, if you are taking any number, that will be the answer for a1 minus b1. If you are taking any 100th term, also will be getting a1 minus b1, or if you are getting 1000th term, then a1 minus b1 will be getting, because we can understand that in n place we can write any natural number. So here, where n belongs to an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1, where n belongs to any natural number, because if we substitute in the place of n, we will be getting a constant number a1 minus b1. So here we can understand that we take the place of n any other constant value, ak minus bk, that will be the same of a1 minus b1. We will be getting the same answer for this number also, because we know that we have substituted any natural number. So for any natural number, that will be the constant number, constant value a1 minus b1. So here for a1 minus b1, we know that the difference between the 100th term is also a constant number, 100 also a natural number. So a1 minus b1 is also will become 100. The 100th terms also, this a1 minus b1, this is n place we have written a100 minus b100, then we'll be getting a100 minus b100, and also we'll be getting a1 minus b1. So because the value of n is also 100, n is a natural number, as n is a natural number, we are taking that 100th term here and the a100 minus b100, then also we'll be getting answer of a1 minus b1, because this is a constant value for any natural number. So we know that the difference between their 100th terms is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. So it becomes here 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. 11 crores 12 lakhs 22,333. So if we are taking in this place and place any positive integer k, any constant number, also will be getting a1 minus b1, and we know that for a1 minus b1 is equals to a1 minus b1 is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. So we can understand for difference between their 100 term is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. Difference between any integer if you have taken in this place also will be same value. In the same way, difference between their millionth term is also 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333, because if you are taking any number in that place, we'll be getting the same answer, because that is a1 minus b1 is 11 crore 12 lakhs. And here we can understand an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1. An minus bn is equals to an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1. We know that n is any natural number. If we take in the place of n any natural number, then we'll be getting a constant value a1 minus b1. If we are taking an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1, same as it is if you are taking where n is equals to natural number. N is a natural number and belongs to capital N. So if you are taking in the place of n any natural number, we will be getting a1 minus b1. So if we are taking the place of n 100, a minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1, where n is a natural number, because an minus bn is equals to a1 minus b1. In the place of n, if we are taking any natural number, it will be a1 minus b1, where n is a natural number. So here we know that the difference between their 100th terms is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. Difference between their 100th terms, so that is 100th term. Difference between their 100th terms is nothing but 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. We know that they have given here in the question the difference between their 100th terms is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. So difference between their 100th terms is this number, a constant number 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. We know that if we are taking any in the place of any natural number, we will be getting a1 minus b1 only, because we know that this n is a natural number. So 100 is also a natural number. So we will be getting a1 minus b1 only. So similarly, if we are taking the place of 100 a constant number k, we are taking in the place of 100 any constant number as k, ak minus bk, we will be getting the same answer of a1 minus b1, because the k is also any number, any positive number, that is any natural number if you are taken, that is ak minus bk, k is any natural number. So similarly we will get, for this answer also we will be getting a1 minus b1, and a1 minus b1 is equals to previously we got here, that is 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. So a1 minus b1 already we previously we got for difference between their 100 terms, that is same as it is we got. So because of a1 minus b1 is equals to this constant number, here we can understand what is the difference between their millionth terms we need to find out. So if in the place of k, if we are taking $10 lakhs, in the place of b, if you are taking the 10 lakhs, and then we'll be getting also a1 minus b1, because 10 lakhs is also a natural number. So in the place of k, if you are taking 10 lakhs here, a 10 lakhs minus b 10 lakhs, so that is also a1 minus b1, and we know that a1 minus b1 is equals to 11 crore 12 lakhs 22,333. So here we can understand that the difference between their nth terms is a1 minus b1. Then it will happen difference between their 100th terms is a constant number, it is given here. So 100th terms is this constant number. Then a positive number of anything constant value also will become a constant number of 11,12,22,333. And also we know that if it is 100 terms or millionth terms, it will be equals to 11,12,22,333. So we can understand the difference between the two APs of 100th terms and millionth terms are equal.